Visit Shapo.io and click Start Free. No credit card is needed, making it a hassle-free sign-up. Verify your email, and you're all set to explore your Shapo dashboard. Ready to import your Google reviews? Navigate to Import Testimonials in your dashboard. Select Google Business, find your listing, and choose the reviews you want to showcase. Once your Google Business listing has been selected, click Fetch Reviews. Then select the reviews you want to import. Once selected, click Import Reviews. Your reviews are now ready to be transformed into stunning widgets. It's that easy to bring your customer feedback to life. Head to the Widgets tab and click Create a Widget. You will be prompted to name your widget. Once you name it, hit Create. Your reviews will already be loaded into your widget for you. Choose a layout, carousel or single, both available on the free plan. Go ahead and start customizing your widget's fonts and colors to match your website style seamlessly. When creating your widget, you also have the options to filter reviews by star rating or tags to highlight the best ones. This ensures your visitors see the most impactful feedback, enhancing your site's credibility. Once satisfied with your widget design, click Save in the top right corner to save your widget and its customizations. Then click Add to your website. Copy the snippet provided, and you're ready to embed it on your website, showcasing your reviews effortlessly. Want to showcase your best Google reviews on your Elementor site? With Shapo, it's fast, flexible, and requires zero coding skills. After creating and customizing your widget in Shapo, head over to your WordPress dashboard and open the page you want to edit using Elementor. On the left-hand panel, search for the HTML widget, then simply drag and drop it into the section where you want your reviews to appear. Now switch back to your Shapo dashboard. Click Get Embed Code on your widget and copy the code snippet provided. Paste that code directly into the HTML field inside Elementor. You'll see a live preview of your Google reviews right in the editor, so you can make sure it fits perfectly with your page layout and design. Once you're happy with the placement, click Update to publish your changes. Your reviews are now live and working for you. Here's what makes this even better. You can go back to your Shapo dashboard anytime to adjust the design, layout, filters, or even change which reviews are displayed. Once you save your edits, the widget on your Elementor site updates automatically. No need to come back into WordPress or touch the code again. It's a powerful way to turn happy customers into trust-building, conversion-boosting content without slowing down your workflow. Start collecting and embedding your best reviews today. Try Shapo for free at Shapo.io.